Hey girl, it's Mena Adubea and I want to show you how to achieve a natural highlight. So let's get started. What I like to do with my foundation is I blend my chin first and then use some of that leftover and put it under my chin to create the reverse contour. Always make sure you squeeze your beauty blender and get the nose, you want to make sure you, oops. Okay, now I made that a little bit wide, but I'll show you how to fix it. Part of the beauty blender and then go right here on the side to make the nose look a little more narrow.